We've all been paying a little bit more attention to nature these days. Might explain the popularity of a webcam in the Scottish Highlands. This is it. Look at that. It is in Loch Arkaig and it's live streaming a pair of ospreys, incubating 3 eggs and attracting many more viewers than normal.
And because they've been watching for quite some time, these eggs have been laid on the same day each year since the webcam was set up in 2017. Such is the amazing accuracy of the seasons, and they know, and these things happen regardless. And that image, we did see it early on, it's just very, very calming to look at.
And I've noticed that the osprey has moved 90 degrees.
There's not an awful lot happens
earlier.
most of the time, but that's kind of nice in a way.
Really nice. I love the way the wind is ruffling its feathers. Mesmerising.
We all in a moment. Having a moment.
We just had a moment, yeah, it was lovely.
Let's see, time now is 16